Hey H&E fam, welcome to another mukbang, and this time we having
Nachos. So like a nacho bake. We have steak and shrimp and, all the little fixings and freshly made pineapple salsa and pico de gallo. I didn't make the guac. That was from the store. And yeah, so we're just going to get right into it.
I have my water, I have my hot sauce here, can't wait to use it.
Gotta have the hot sauce.
The hot sauce that hits you like boom in your head.
Alright, so we should let you guys get the first taste. Because I feel like we've been so rude in our other videos. We're going to let y'all get the first bites. Go ahead. Go ahead, grab some.
You did, that's it.
Alright.
You did.
Alright, so we about to get into this.
The game I started now.
You got the shrimp and the steak. There's some jalapenos on here, which shouldn't be too hot because I took out some of the seeds.
You should have left it.
Nah.
That's how I like it.
I know, well that's why you got the hot sauce. And then I got the pineapple salsa. Ooh.
You got everything underneath this.
I'm already dropping stuff. Sweat. So I hope you guys are having a good day. The thing is what I always say. But I do hope you're having a good day. And if you're not eating with us, pause the video, go make some food, then start it again so you can eat with us.
It's already looking so good.
Mm-hmm. Got the shrimp.
About to go on the hot sauce. This is the one I'm using.
Oh, I even forgot. We got sour cream. I didn't put it in a little bowl, but you want some.
Put it in, okay.
Yeah. I even got some of this spicy rancho sauce. I don't know, from Taco Bell. I feel like I've had it before, but I think I gotta actually open it if I can. Okay. What's the sound? I can't open it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can't open it. It's like it's stuck. Supposed to pull the thing out. Of course, of course.
You're thinking too hard on it.
Right. I'll put some of that on my plate. Alright, so what have y'all done anything fun this weekend? Well, yeah. Well, I'll say this past weekend. Have you done anything fun? Or did you do anything fun? Did you enjoy yourself, relax, get some stuff done around the house? Like, what did you do? I'm thankful for this video. I think we have a couple other mukbangs that's gonna come out before this, and some vlogs that came out before this. We've been busy.
And more still coming out. So.
Oh man.
Gotta go down with Hot sauce.
Ooh.
Not so much, but
Have you tasted it yet? Is it hot?
Yeah, it is.
Oh. Now, if he says it's hot, it's actually hot.
Yeah.
Was good?
Mm-hmm. It's like every flavor on one chips.
Yeah. Some shrimp. Get some of this. Got some black beans on here too. Just did a lot. Some more of that sour cream. Oh man. Now with these mukbangs, so we haven't done a mukbang where we actually went and bought food from like a restaurant yet. Right, because it's called, the cost savings is so much better if you cook at home. But so that's for anything. For anything, it's so much cheaper when you cook at home. And you know what's going in it. You know exactly what's in your food.
That's hot sauce, man. It's really hot.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm afraid to taste it. Well, maybe the sweetness of the pineapple will help. Let me go try some.
The flavor is just good.
I'm scared, y'all.
Just gonna do a little bit.
I'm gonna try. Oh, that's way more than a little bit. I'm gonna taste something on my finger. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I mean, it has a good flavor though. It tastes good, but I see too much of that.
They're like, don't play with me.
Right. They not lying. Extra hot. Extra hot.
No, it's 3 extra.
Yeah.
Well, the flavor is so good.
Right. So you guys, one thing I did want to talk about, but I told Harrison I was going to bring up in one of our videos, was, so when he's talking about women and men, he always calls, well, not always,
What?
but a lot of times you call women females, but you refer to men as men or guys. So, I don't know if it's just me, but I always feel some type of way about it.
How?
Because I feel like, why are women just females? You know, but guys, you don't call them males. You just say guys or men. Like when you don't say like ladies or women, you say females.
I say that all the time.
Yeah, you do. And you'll be like, oh, you know, females and men. And you'll say like in the same sentence. I'm like, why are we females and y'all are men? Like, I'm like, ladies, ooh, comment down below. Excuse me. How do you feel about that? If somebody was calling you a female, but refers to the other sex as men, like, why can't we just be women or ladies?
I mean, you guys already are ladies.
I know. I'm talking about when you say it.
I don't even know when I be bringing up stuff like this.
That's what I know. I know being aware is, you know, a part of the, I guess, the solution. You have to be aware. Before you go
it's just at the moment, you know. I mean, females are also they're known as ladies.
You just
women,
said females.
No, I mean to describe them, they're known as females. They're known as women. It's just at the moment.
At the moment, what moment
that
is
I mentioned the guys, you know, I'm talking to men.
And then you said females.
And I mentioned females, you know. It's not like, you know, they're not ladies, which they are, you know. I just came up with that just at that time.
Right.
You know.
But my question is, if women feel some type of way, when guys refer to them as females and not, you know, women or ladies, you know, but always refer to men as men or guys.
You know, not saying that out of, you know, superiority. I mean,
there's no fault to your own. But
female, women, ladies, you know, they are respected as, you know, as the other gender too. You know, I don't mean it in a different way.
I know.
Or people say that too. You know.
I know.
I'm not just the only person that, you know, that have come up with that. Or people normally, you know.
I know you're not the only person that says it.
They come up with stuff.
My thing, like, an animal, you have male and female. And while humans are animals too, well, hopefully with our intelligence, we're a little bit smarter for the most part. I don't know. It was just a thought of how I feel. You guys talking, but this stuff is really good actually.
And I hope you guys are here with us because we're trying to make y'all eat with us.
Right. So you don't be sitting over there watching us and hungry.
You need to like get yourself something, you know, out of the fridge. If you didn't cook, just get something and then join us. Let us be on the round table. It's always good when we eat as a
family.
One big H&E family. You know, that feels much better.
So I had to make these nachos. I tried to be smart by making them because I know nachos get soggy, and we always make, you know, a lot of food and we don't finish it. So we want to eat some more tomorrow. I was like, soggy nachos doesn't sound too good. So I try to be mindful of how many chips I put on here, so I don't waste them. I'll probably pop them in the oven to hopefully get some of that crunchiness back.
That was smart. It's like I take this hot sauce like I ain't scared of it. Of which I ain't scared of it. I ain't scared of the hot sauce.
No, we start showing.
Maybe I need to be on the show, on that show.
Which one?
The one to be, you know, trying different type of hot sauce
On chicken?
on wings.
Oh yeah. I forgot what the show called. What is it called? It's on YouTube.
The white guy is the host. I don't know his name.
Right. It's on YouTube.
Yeah.
I can't remember either. I do watch it. I catch it sometimes. They be having the celebrities on there. I'm like, more power to them.
I can get past all them stages, you know. No matter how it is, I know I will get past it.
Right. So I'm trying to think of other videos that we can do, you guys. Other food videos. We got some ideas, but any thoughts, you know, write them in the comments. Ooh, to let us know. What should we try?
Y'all just let us know.
We're
gonna try.
Right. We're trying to be more adventurous. I don't know. I've seen some crazy things online, so I don't know about all the crazy things I've seen. I don't know about all that. Like the one lady, what did she was eating from a whole alligator, and they were eating snake. Yeah, I won't be doing that. I can't. I was like, oh, I can't. Mm-mm. Even though we've had alligator though. When we went to New Orleans, we had alligator and the sausage.
We did.
Right, but I don't want to eat from the whole animal. No, I'm good. My mind won't even let me do it. I can't do it.
You can tell some of them, like, you know, have the mind to do it.
Right. Hey, more power to you. Oh no, I'm trying to do it all in one bite. So trying to get it all in one bite. Getting full.
I'm just trying to slow it down. I just, you know, I know H&E found they around, they here, but I miss eating with them.
I know, you guys. Because of our schedules, we do most of the mukbangs and vlogs, for that matter, on weekends. This work is so busy during the week.
Yeah.
Oh man. I did it again.
I did.
On my shirt.
Is it?
A little bit. This is what I do.
A little bit still bad.
No matter what. No matter what. I always get some food on my shirt. Oh guys, before I forget, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, leave us a comment, you know, share. Oh, also follow us on Instagram. We're on Twitter. I think I'm on Pinterest. We'll be on Facebook soon.
Yeah. Twitter, we're new on there. So y'all just make sure you follow us on every of the platform we mentioned.
Right.
You know.
Like we'll add, you know, links in the bottom of the description.
Right.
We'll probably put our Twitter handle and our Instagram right here on the screen.
Everything just too good. Man. I'm feeling getting too full.
I was you slowing down.
Oh man.
I mean, we did some damage, you guys. Funny enough, not that full, but I feel like once I stand up, I'll start to feel it.
It's just sitting down. But still, I really want to do more, but it's too good.
Don't force yourself.
We need to continue. Let me I'm gonna add my sauce on this. Everything will go down.
Making the salsa, it's so easy. I'm like, thanks to Patrick, my mom's boyfriend. He makes his own salsa, so ooh, okay, that's all you gotta do with it. That's it. Some cilantro, some tomato, onion, a little bit of salt, added some jalapeno. Excuse me, and that's it. Easy peasy. Pico de gallo. Oh, this is a cheesy one, y'all. And then with the pineapple one, instead of tomatoes, I use pineapple.
Right. Somebody your space skills enough now. Oh man, I'm trying to make it open, but
you guys, we did some damage though. I don't know if you can see.
It's easy said.
We did some damage though. We did do some damage.
I mean, it's not how it looked.
Right. Like, with these mukbangs, we try not to eat a lot during the day.
Yeah.
But we have some space to eat.
Most of the time, so when we're eating, y'all might think maybe we're not eating like that, or maybe we didn't eat much, but we did.
Right.
We do eat much. We do eat much.
You gonna take a last nice big bite?
That's the one I'm making.
All right, go ahead.
That's the one I'm making right here.
Load it up.
Yeah. Okay.
We're all gonna watch you. We're all watching.
Yeah,
we gotta get it all. Get it all. Yeah, a nice big crunch. All right. You guys, I think we are done for today. It was delicious because I made it, of course. But thank you guys for watching and eating with us. And we hope you come back next time and, watch our other mukbangs. And we have some vlogs and much more stuff to come. And just want to say,
make sure y'all still with H&E fan.
Right. And hit that subscribe button. Like I said before, hit the like, so we can give you more videos. And I guess we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
My baby no be so. You won't leave me, follow mango. My baby no be so. Because you get some big thing, you want like Colombo. No be so. And not because of you, I do want my door. No be so.